Arlo Smart Wired Video Floodlight Camera. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 2K HDR video. Crisp resolution with enhanced clarity. Number 2. 160-degree field of view. Wide angle coverage for better security. Number 3. 2000 lumen spotlight. Adjustable brightness for clear visibility. Number 4. Color night vision. See in color or black and white at night. Number 5. Motion detection. PIR sensor for accurate movement alerts. Number 6. Two-way audio. Talk and listen with built-in mic and speaker. Number 7. Weather resistant. Durable for outdoor use, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 8. Built-in siren, 80 decibel alarm for enhanced deterrence. Number 9. Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4 GHz support for seamless operation. Number 10. Cloud storage. Secure storage with Arlo Secure Trial included. More details, click the video description links. Toucan Security Floodlight Camera. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. A 1080 pixel HD video. Clear recording with 143 degree field of view. Number 2. 1200 lumens light. Bright LED floodlight for illumination. Number 3. Radar motion detection. Accurate sensor for reliable alerts. Number 4. Two-way audio. Talk to visitors or use auto response. Number 5. 110 decibel alarm siren. Loud deterrent with flashing light. Number 6. No subscription needed. Free 24 hours video history included. Number 7. Weatherproof design. IP56 rated for all weather durability. Number 8. Smart home compatible. Works with Alexa and Google Home. Number 9. Plug-in power. No hard wiring. Easy setup with power cable. Number 10. Color night vision. Clear nighttime viewing for added security. More details, click the video description link. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 2K HDR video. Sharp details with enhanced dynamic range. Number 2. 160 degree field of view. Wide angle coverage for better monitoring. Number 3. Bright LED floodlight. Illuminates driveway and alleyways. Number 4. Color night vision. Clear visuals in low light conditions. Number 5. Wireless design. Easy installation without wiring hassle. Number 6. Motion sensor alerts. Real-time notifications for detected movement. Number 7. Two-way audio. Talk and listen via the built-in mic. Number 8. Rechargeable battery. Convenient and eco-friendly power option. Number 9. IP65 weather resistant. Durable in various weather conditions. Number 10. Arlo Secure Plan. Optional cloud storage and smart detection. More details, click the video description links. Ring plus wired floodlight camera. Why you should buy this product? Number 1. 1080 pixel HD video. Clear security footage with high resolution. Number 2. Motion activated floodlights. Bright LED lights for enhanced visibility. Number 3. 105 decibel security siren. Loud alarm to deter intruders. Number 4. Two-way talk. Communicate with visitors via the app. Number 5. Customizable motion zones. Focus monitoring on specific areas. Number 6. Color night vision. Improved visibility in low light conditions. Number 7. Hardware installation. Reliable, continuous power supply. Number 8. Ring app integration. Access live view and notifications remotely. Number 9. Alexa compatibility. Voice enabled controls and alerts. Number 10. Optional subscription. Store videos and get advanced features. More details, click the video description links. Ring Pro wired floodlight camera. Number 1. 1080 pixel HD video. Crisp, clear security camera footage. Number 2. Bird's eye view. Overhead tracking of motion events. Number 3. 3D motion detection. Pinpoint motion with advanced accuracy. Number 4. Dual band Wi-Fi. Supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connections. Number 5. HDR support. Enhanced video clarity in bright or dark settings. Number 6. Motion activated floodlights. Bright LED lights for visibility. Number 7. 110 decibel siren. Loud alarm for deterring intruders. Number 8. Two-way talk. Communicate with visitors via the app. Number 9. Alexa integration. Voice alerts and live video on eco devices. Number 10. Optional subscription. 24/7 recording and advanced features available. More details, click the video description links.